so busy with the others. Ooh, I focus, those are when you really love me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me again. As you can see, we are on our way. We're almost there to the Holiday Inn Resort in Panama City Beach. This is our third time visiting and staying at the same place. So this time I am going to share with you, mainly focusing with the hotel, the room tour, the beach, what it's like, after having the COVID-19 still going on, what it's like to be in the beach. So hopefully you will have fun watching this video and you will find it useful if you are planning to come visit Panama City Beach. And I highly recommend you all to stay at Holiday Inn Resort, especially if you have kids, because they are awesome. And we're almost to our hotel, so I will leave you at this. Thank you, and please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you find it fun and helpful. And this is just part 1 of this trip, because we did stay 1 week. So
they tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I never saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time, I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no,
someone is throwing food out of the balcony. That's why they are all hovering around. We're doing a construction right there. Supposed to be done by spring, but because of the COVID got cancelled. So that's not pretty to look at the moment, but maybe next time when we come back it will be pretty. This is our third time staying here within 1 year, and we can't wait to come back again. It's so pretty. We love the view, the amenities. What I showed you earlier about the construction at the front is supposed to look like that, and this is supposed to open spring 2020, but because of the corona they extended and it's still not done, so that's what it's supposed to look like after it's done.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. It's been a while, been a while.
Say your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those things were really far away. Yo te amo, pero no respondes. I think that you don't care, and I honestly wonder. Say your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those things were really far away.
This is Saturday morning, our last weekend here. And we have beautiful weather. The pool just now opened. Slowly having more people. Earlier it was not. You can only count how many people at the beach, but now there's more people out there. Isn't it weird? Yeah. Wave here and wave and nothing on the meadow.